I don't believe in right decision. I will take decision and make them right. Welcome. Today we will share some lesser known facts about Ratan Tata, the Indian business leader.
Ratan Tata's father was an adopted son, and Tata was raised by his grandmother.
His first job was in Tata Steel, which he took up in the year 1961. Ratan Tata loves flights and flying. He is a skilled pilot. Ratan Tata declined a job from IBM to join his family business. He has been awarded Padma Vibhushan in 2008 and Padma Bhushan in 2000.
Ratan Tata's journey is inspiring, filled with innovation and kindness. Thanks for watching.